buddies, welcome back to our channel. I'm Deepika and you're watching the Hobbies DIY. So let's see how to make these pretty flowers with homemade clay. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the video. So first, let's see how to make these flowers with clay making tools. This is homemade clay and I have kneaded this with some amount of acrylic color. You can see the link for homemade clay in the description box. So let's see the tools that we are going to use here. I'm going to use these clay making tools, backside of the brush and a pair of scissors. And most importantly, this flower making wire. You can get this from any stationery shop or online too. Take a small amount of clay and make this into teardrop shape. Finding the center, I'm going to cut it into 4 parts in this way and spread all the 4 petals equally. Press the petals gently and push them inwards so that the base of the petals would be stronger. And using this tool, I'm going to press all the 4 petals to make them flatter. Now using the top portion of a thin paintbrush, I'm going to spread the petals. You can also use a toothpick as an alternative. The thing is, this tool needs to be thin to flatten the petals. Use any powder so that the tool doesn't stick to the clay. Using the round tool, I'm going to press on the petals and give them a bowl-like structure. In this way, I'm going to rotate all over the petals on all the 4 petals. Do not press too hard because it might worsen the shape of the flower. Be gentle. So now we got this flower. Now I'm going to point the center and draw little lines. Let's insert the flower making wire here and roll at the bottom. And this is homemade clay. I'm going to put this at the center and just press gently with this tool. And giving the final touch to these flowers, I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours. You can see how beautiful the flowers are. So coming next, let's see how to make the buds and about to bloom flowers. Again, take a small amount of clay, knead it well and make this into teardrop shape. The procedure is same. Just cut this into 4 equal parts and that is it. Now let's see how to make these flowers with our clay making tools. So for that I have taken a palette knife, scissors a thin brush or toothpick, pencil, and again a brush with round base. So instead of palette knife, you can also just grab a knife from the kitchen. Again, here the procedure is same, but we are using the different tools. So let's cut the 4 petals and spread them equally. Use powder or any kind of flour, and with a thin toothpick just flatten the petals. Now with any round base, you need to give the curvature to the petals. Do not worry about the white stains on the flowers, we can just brush it off once they are dried. I think with tools or without tools, I think the talent actually matters. You can make the flowers easily once you practice making 10 or 15 flowers. I am drying these flowers on a piece of sponge, and once they are dried, you can wrap them with the flower making tape. I am cutting the tape into 2 halves so that I can get the thinner one. I feel comfortable with thin tape, so I am using this method. Apply some glue or Fevicol so that they don't come out easily. I have got all these flowers and I have separated the buds and small flowers to the one side and fully bloomed flowers to the other side. And with this wire, let's wrap the buds one by one and then the flowers. This video might seem slow, but actually I have got all the steps for you. Finally, I have got all the flowers into a bunch and I'm happy with the result because this is something I have not expected. I mean, this is more than what I expected. So try at your home and leave the comments below because I would love to see your comments because absolutely they are my motivation. Watch our other videos to stay connected with us, and also if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and do recommend me what kind of videos should I make further for you. I will surely make them for you. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.